everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign out of Remitly account. So if you also want to sign out of Remitly account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Remitly application. You can see over here Remitly has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. From Remitly, you'll be able to transfer money from one country to another. You can also track your transfer. Additionally, your information will be safe and secure. So if you want to sign out of your account, all you have to do is tap on the manage icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the manage interface. Over here you'll be able to see several options. You can see the option for profile, settings, payment methods, redeem offer. Additionally, you can also see other options. At last, you'll be able to see the option for sign out. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you've been signed out of your account. So that is how you sign out of Remitly account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.